You are welcome to Safubafo's Natural Research Center. Sometimes, not that we are lazy at work, but we have fatigue. We are extremely tired. We lack the energy to continue the work. As a result of that, some people have taken it as their social responsibility to take artificial energy drink as their bodyguard. Every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes, every 20 minutes, they take it as soon as they feel fatigue at work, and this is detrimental to their health because there is a high energy of sugar and artificial substance in the artificial energy drink. Without caffeine and plenty sugar at workplace, some people may be called lazy workers, but it is not their fault. Blame fatigue. It was given to me freely by the creator of the universe. Who am I to sell it to you? All you need is a teaspoon of lemon, a small size of ginger, then boil water. Don't peel the ginger. Just wash it and cut the unwanted part of it. Crush it. Use any common sense available in your kitchen and use it to crush it. If you don't have any appointment with your dentist, you can use your teeth to crush it. Since the lemon is not coming from your own farm, you have to wash it. Some farmers don't have enough water or time to wash the lemon before bringing it to the market. We are using 1 cup of glass as our measurement. It is advisable to go to any China shop near you to buy food flags. If you don't have food flags, don't worry. It is not a crime. Pour the hot water in the food flags. Then add your crushed ginger. Then add 1 teaspoon of lemon to it. And then cover it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Or you can cover it when you go to work. After break, you sip some. Or after putting it inside the food flask, you can drink some, then break time you can drink some. You can drink it at any time of your choice. Instead of employing artificial energy drink or coffee with plenty sugar as your personal macho guard, I recommend that you employ this lemon ginger hot water as your personal macho guard. This one, it has no side effect. Fatigue has so many causes. It can be medical or your lifestyle that is causing your fatigue, or that is causing you to lose excessive energy or lack energy to work or do something. This lemon ginger hot water energy drink has no side effect. It has no caffeine. The only side effect is that when it is too hot, it will burn your mouth. It will burn your tongue. Ajesh. Thank you for watching Safubafo's TV. If today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, kindly subscribe, like, and comment.